So how do we actually display our Nintendo Switch screen on our laptop or PC? Well, the first thing we need to do is to dock our Nintendo Switch right here. So grab your dock and then insert it right here, as you can see. Then we're gonna turn around the dock here and make sure that you insert the power cable here, and the other end needs to go to a power adapter, of course. And then what we're going to do after that is to grab an HDMI cable. So this is how an HDMI cable looks. And one of the ends needs to go into here on your Nintendo Switch. So I'm just gonna insert it right here. And the other end though, people think that you can just insert it right into your laptop or PC and it's gonna work. Unfortunately, it is not as easy as that. You can try, but you will probably be able to see that it doesn't work. And the reason for that is because we need one of those video capture cards here, because quite often your laptop will not recognize this right here right away. You need to have this video game capture card here that will be able to help to recognize the Nintendo Switch signal on your PC or laptop. So now I'm just gonna insert it right here, as you can see, and then this end needs to go into your PC or laptop. So now once you have done all of this, now we can go into Google and search for OBS here. I'm just gonna, of course, also zoom in here so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So you can see right here, search for OBS and then click on the OBS Studio. Make sure to get it for your Windows if you have a PC, Mac or Linux, depending on what you have, of course. Now when you've gotten OBS, just open it up here on your PC or laptop. So I'm just gonna open it up here. And then in here, click on the plus symbol in the bottom left corner and then click on the video capture device. Then click on OK. Then click on device right here and then click on your game capture card. Then I'm just gonna scroll down here and click on audio output mode and then output desktop audio here. Then click on OK. Now I'm just gonna right click on this right here and then click on open source projector and then right here. So I get the full screen. Now when I have the full screen, what I'm going to do now is that I'm just gonna click on the power button here on the Nintendo Switch, and then I'm just gonna remove those right here so I can play. And perfect, you can see I'm now displaying what I'm seeing on my laptop here. And you can see, works without any lag whatsoever. So I can now use my laptop here or PC to be able to stream exactly everything I see on my Nintendo Switch. By the way, if you want to be able to get that exact capture card, that makes it possible to be able to display it on your laptop or PC. This one right here, I have left the link for it down below in my description, and yes, it is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you purchase through it at no extra cost to you though, just so you know. But basically that is exactly how to do this.